Hello and welcome to another of my unboxing videos. This time, I'm unboxing a lighting fixture from American ADJ. Marketing name is Mega Tripar Profile Plus. I'll be unboxing one of two units I bought. They're the same. Based on LED technology, they have 5 RGB LED lights with UV light for better color mixing. Let's bring the trusty knife and open this box. It's really simple to open. The contents come well protected. You could use this box to carry them around, at least until the box becomes damaged. First thing we see is protective foam, then manuals and warranty cards. The manual is essential to learn how to operate the fixtures. Don't throw it away. Comes in a couple languages, hopefully one is yours. The fixture comes with various presents, can be slightly customized. For better control, you have to invest in a DMX control unit and connect the light to it. These lights can be connected in series, so it's easy to make big setups. Next, there is the standard removable power cord. The fixture comes with a silica bag to prevent humidity. It feels light but not flimsy. I saw cheaper fixtures that the supports would bend and be really fragile. While I don't recommend you let it fall, because of the plastic housing, it feels durable for the price. Turning it on for the first time is confusing, as the menus are coded. This is why I said you should keep the manual safe. You can set it up to react to sound with sensitivity. Now, explaining the menus is hard, won't do it in this video because it would be boring. I recommend that you read the manual and see what modes you might be interested in. Personally, I'm setting mine to change color automatically each couple of seconds. Then you can choose between a couple color groups. I could also connect one to another and have one as master, while the other follows as slave. They're bright lights for dark rooms. You really don't want to look into the light itself as there's no diffuser. If you tried to use them in any kind of daylight, you'll be disappointed. There is strobe functionality too, but I would not set the light to work this way. I bought 2 for my starting project, but I recommend a minimum of 4 lights for any small band playing indoors. If you plan on playing outdoors, I recommend at least 2 tripods and 6 fixtures minimum, for even coverage of the band. But for anyone starting a gig alone or with a friend, 2 will be a great starting point. So that's it. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. Until next time, thank you for watching.